When we pray to Baba with true faith, He always listens. But His help comes not when we want it, but when He knows the time is right. Until then, He asks us to hold on to two simple yet powerful principles: Shraddha and Saburi, faith and patience. Sometimes we may feel hurt, tested, or even wonder if Baba is listening at all. But Baba is all knowing. He understands our karmas and gives us what we need, not just what we want. Even during his time in Shirdi, he often tested his devotees, delaying help, scolding, or even throwing stones, not out of anger, but to purify and strengthen them. And yet, Baba's true devotees never wavered in their faith. One such soul was Radhakrishna Mai, whose deep devotion, humility, and complete surrender remained steadfast even in the most challenging times. In today's episode, let us listen to a powerful and moving story of Radhakrishna Mai, one that beautifully reflects the depth of devotion Baba inspires and the kind of unshakable faith and surrender a devotee must cultivate to receive his abundant blessings. Om Sai Ram, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba Satsang. The story is taken from Sri Shirdi Sainath Bhagavatam, written in Telugu by Srimati Pavani Nirmala Prabhavati ji, an ardent devotee of Sai Baba. One day, while Baba was sitting at Dwarka Mai, he told Lakshmi Bai Shinde that he was hungry. Hearing this, she immediately rushed to her home and lovingly prepared a delicious meal: rotis, rice, dal, curry, all topped with ghee, and returned joyfully to offer it to Baba. But to her surprise, Baba handed over the entire plate to a nearby dog. The dog began eating eagerly, and Baba watched it with great satisfaction and contentment. Lakshmi Bai, however, was deeply upset. She felt insulted and questioned Baba angrily, saying, "I made this food with so much love for you, and you gave it to a dog." Baba calmly asked her, "Who am I?" She replied, "You are Sai Baba." Baba said, "I am present in all beings, living and non-living. Just as you feel hunger, so does this dog. This dog cannot speak, but I feel its hunger as mine. There is no difference between me and this creature." Baba says, "Leave aside all these doubts. Do you want to eat prasad?" Still unhappy, Lakshmi Bai said she wanted prasad to be directly from Baba. Baba agreed, took two half-eaten rotis from the dog's plate, ate a little, and offered them to Lakshmi Bai as prasad. But she hesitated, finding it hard to eat food touched by a dog. Baba then called Avaste, who had come to Shirdi along with Mr. Rege, an ardent devotee of Baba. Avaste was known for his doubtful and overly analytical nature, which Baba disliked. Baba gave him the same rotis and asked him to deliver them to Radhakrishna Mai as prasad. When Avaste offered them to her, Radhakrishna Mai greatly accepted the rotis. She washed up, sat in a clean place, and began to eat, saying with deep gratitude, "It is my great fortune to receive rotis tasted by Baba." Avaste, shocked, asked her how she could eat food not only tasted by Baba, but also by a dog, especially being a Brahmin widow. Radhakrishna Mai calmly replied, "If Baba has sent it, I will eat it without hesitation, even if a pig, cat, or any other creature touched it. When it comes from Baba, it is Mahaprasad. Only the truly blessed receive such divine offerings." Though she used to prepare food for many of the devotees Baba sent to her, she always felt most honored when Baba personally sent her something to eat. She often expressed her gratitude for her short 4 years with Baba, saying they were filled with endless blessings and grace. This beautiful story teaches us the true essence of surrender. When we believe in a Sadguru like Sai Baba, we must do with unwavering faith, without conditions or doubt. Even when situations become difficult to understand, we must trust that Baba is watching over us and guiding us. Holding on to Shraddha and Saburi allows Baba to shape our lives with his divine wisdom. Our only duty is to surrender completely with love and devotion. May Baba bless us all with that level of faith and the strength to see his presence in every being and every moment. Let us meet again in the next episode with another excellent Leela and blessing of Baba. Om Sai Ram.